Here we are, the Practical Classics Classic Car Restoration Show, the NEC. And here we have a Mark III Ford Escort gear. So let's make our way in. So we have an XR3i Cabriolet Mark IV with Moret headlamps. Here we have Escort Mark III RS Turbo Series 1. Quite immaculate looking. Next to that is an RS 1600i Mark III again. One of the better models.
Sorry.
Cargo seats. And we have a RS Turbo Mark IV. So it's a Series 2 RS Turbo. Here we have a Mark I Ford Focus RS. And the later generation. I think they look the best in a 3-door. Here we have a later 5-door version. Here's the Mark I again. Followed by the Mark II RS. And then there's the Mark III. So you have a barn fine Capri 2.8 injection, very dusty looking. There's a Capri 280 Brooklands, immaculate condition. So we have a South African import, Ford Escort Mark III XR3 TF, featured in Classic Ford magazine. You get a lot of these South African imports with the prices of Fords going up. Very different to like UK spec cars. Escort Mark I, Mexico, in white with red stripes and white alloys on it. Ford Capri 2-litre GL. Here we have another Mark III Escort 1600i, bit of a project this one, with a barn find look about it, has some dust on it. Escort Mark II Harrier LE, bit of a dodgy paintwork. Capri 2.8 injection. Another Escort Mark IV RS Turbo Series 2. Ford Sierra Cosworth RS 500. A Ford Escort Cosworth. Ford Capri in gold. A Mark III Ford Cortina in blue. Ford Sierra Cosworth, moonstone blue. Barn-fired Ford Puma, everything's looks like it's been left outside with all the green on it. We have Mark IV Cortina, got a bit of rust on it. You see the roof's a bit caved in. The rear-ended belts of that. Rust on that. Ford Escort Mark I, barn find. Got a bit of rust on it. Some modified Mark I Escorts, 1800 XL, some wide wheels. Mark II Escort. Mark III Ford Capri.
Nice looking car in the day.
Mark II Ford Capri 2 litre S. Escort RS 2000. I think it was at the last show I went to. Escort XR3i, Mark V Capri. It's the Moret headlamps. The indicators colour coded. There's an XR4i, the original 3-door Ford Cosworth. That's the split windows. Ford Sierra XR4x4. Predated the XR4i, so it came with 4-wheel drive. Based on a facelift Sierra. Sierra XR8. This is a V8 Sierra, South African import. There's the XR4i spoiler on the back. Mark V Escort XR3i in red. Ford Fiesta XR2 Mark I, immaculate. Got the sticker in the back window, there was all the rage in the 80s. Ford Sierra projects, restoration. Ford Sierra. Ford Puma Racings, there's a few of these. They always come to the show. Got some nice examples. Another wide arches on these. This one's a bit of a restoration project, where the sills cut out. And we have a Ford Transit Connect, so the Puma front end on it. Ford Escort Mark III, RS Turbo Series 1. Mark V Escort RS 2000. Mark II Ford Escort 1800. Ford Focus RS. It's Mark II. Fiesta RS Turbo Mark III. Been neglected. Fiesta Mark I van. Mark II XR2 being modified. Escort RS Cosworth. Sierra RS Cosworth. Cortina Coupe restoration project. Ford Cortina Mark IIIs. GoPro stock. Ford Focus Mark I 5-door. Ford Puma Racing. Yes. Ford Sierra RS Cosworth RS 500. Tickford Capri. Tickford Turbo. Ford Puma. Mark II Focus RS in green.
Did you get it like
Mark I Ford Capri with twin headlamps. Escort Mark IV XR3i in red. Ford Sierra RS 500 Cosworth, and another one. Fiesta Mark III body shell, and a 3-door Sierra. These are quite often used for reselling Cosworths. Mark III Escort with a Pella aftermarket light grille. Some Mark II Escorts, and a Mark I Escort. Some shiny looking Ford Granadas. Mark VI Escort Estate. One of the last. The SI version. One of the run-out models. Cortina Coupe. Twin headlamps. Escort Alley LE. Limited edition. See the brochure on the seat. Ford Puma in silver. Ford Ford GT replica, John Player Special Library, Ford Transit Commercials, camper van, Mark II Transit, now we have a Mark I Transit, Ford Focus, Mark I ST170, Ford Pro, Mark III Cortina, seen better days.